Okay. There are there's a cool new feature in data storytelling that makes me want to revisit the whole thing and quickly show you how this advanced since its first launch. I'm excited about it. All right. Before we get over to my desktop, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Heck, maybe even turn on the alarm bell so you get notified when things get posted. I don't know. Up to you. I'd appreciate it though. All right. Okay. So this announcement came out yesterday about continuous slideshows in Power BI storytelling add-in. It's kind of a little general, like it talks about it, but it like wasn't exactly sure what it meant. So I wanted to like actually put a demo together and try it out. So I popped open Power BI. First things first, it was I wanted to head into Power BI and just grab one of my reports and try to embed it. So if you're not familiar with how you embed it, just head over to the file up here and click on file. No, I'm sorry, export. My bad. PowerPoint. Embed as image or embed as live data. So you can do either one of those, right? To say embed as live data, I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to head back to my desktop. Okay. But inside of PowerPoint, there's this add-in that you can get from the Power BI service. Go up to your add-ins and like I've already got it here, but you can search for it. So it's just Power BI, right? And you could look for more add-ins and find it inside of here if you don't have it. You may even already have it installed where it shows up inside your inserts as a button here. But that is an add-in that's available for you. Once you put it in, it's going to give you this nice little like experience. You can actually paste in what you're kind of the report you want to embed. Click on insert, and it embeds the report for you. Okay, pretty straightforward. This looks great. I can still interact with this just as if I was inside of Power BI, and I've got this all set up here. Now, one other thing that I do like to call out is maybe you don't want the whole story pane, right? Like this is too much stuff for you. Instead, you just want a visual. You can go into like focus mode on a visual, and you can say export PowerPoint, embed live data, copy it, cancel, go back, and then paste it in. Now, notice one of the challenges there is that my background is now missing on this, right? So I think I can. I go over here, set this to blue. Yeah, see, now I can't see this, so I don't have that formatting capability. So a little bit of a limitation there. So if you're using like if you're going to be doing this for a while, make sure that you have like a white background or whatever background of that the background of that tile is set so you don't have white items on it. Otherwise, it's not going to work out for you. So going with white is probably better. But there's some new features in here that we want to hone in on. First off, let's look at what you can do inside of here. So now you can see you have three options. One, you can apply a filter, which allows you to like create a custom page. Let's say maybe you want a page for each one of your sales guys. You're going to double the page. You're going to filter that down. That might be one thing that you do. But there's also that data insights. Oopsie, done too quickly here. All right, so data insights. This is a cool new feature that I'm going to show it to you in just a second. You can also refresh it if you're not getting the right data. You want to refresh and pull the data. If I click on that data insights, it is actually really kind of cool. It uses that like ChatGPT Copilot insights to look across your data, get this information. You got two options here. You can paste it on a slide, right? Paste it right onto the slide, or you can copy it into a clipboard. Now, I'm lazy, so I'm just going to say paste it onto the slide. And take a look at this. Now, I've got this nice little report that I can move around, and I can put a narration right on my presentation that's got this all together. Like, that's awesome, right? Now the function though that we're going to be looking into is down in the lower corner here. It's this last button here. We've got the ability to go in and set our slide show settings. Say that 5 times fast. All right. This is what they're talking about when it comes to like automating your refresh, right? And continuous presentation. This allows you to set this up so that the dashboard itself is going to refresh on any cadence you want, right? Like you can do 60 seconds, or you can do, like I want it to be set to 60 seconds, or every 30 minutes, right? Or maybe it's every 5 minutes we're going to refresh this, right? And the reason I'm going to do this is I know I've got data that's being loaded into my model that happens every 5 minutes, or whatever it is, right? Maybe it's not a live or maybe it is. And I want to make sure that it's refreshing on a cadence, make sure you got that speed going, because you're going to embed this PowerPoint slide in like an overhead screen that you're going to be watching. You don't want the you want to see those updates coming through. This automatically refreshes for you, so you don't have to like build in a refresh pattern. It's actually pretty cool. Do be aware, like you're going to be running and refreshing this, and if you got it so that it's refreshing back to systems, make sure your back end's ready. Handle this. It's not super heavy lifting, but I've seen what you guys come up with. You guys come up with some interesting stuff. Really easy to implement. Really easy to add into your presentation. I don't know. What do you think? You think you're going to use this? If so, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you think it's going to work for you. It's going to be useful for you or not. What questions you got? Happy to answer those questions for you. As I said before, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. That helps me out. I really appreciate it. You have a blessed day. Peace. Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.